My name is Hazlan and I'm from Sungai Petani, Kedah. Actually, I have a background in audio engineering. I joined this workshop because I need an insight of professional work regards to the industry standards. I did learn a lot from this workshop just by watching JD do his work, and the recording techniques is a good starting point to do music production. Yeah, of course, I will recommend this workshop to my friend. They can have insights about how a professional work and what it needs to do music production according to the industry standards.